Hello everyone. So today we'll be going to discuss about a short topic which is known as network graphs. Now you might have already seen this particular feature on tools like SEMrush. So let us talk like few about this. So today we have three small examples on this video where I'm going to explain what this does means and what you can do about that and what are the areas that you can take into your consideration for improving your network graph score. So first of all, the thing is that network graph, the basic principality and the functionality of network graph is that what is your link or backlink positioning in the entire corpus of your niche. Now let me make it easy for you. So the thing is that suppose if you are from a particular niche such as like pre-owned car delivery. Now if you check your network graph, so this will predict all other competitors around your marketplace that can be nationwide, local, or can be from certain international hubs, and that would give you a prediction that like compared to your competitors, what is the reputation of your link profile, and based on that it can give you a score as relevant, moderate, or poor. So as on the screen you can see, like the first one is good because the link profile is very good compared to its other competitors, which means that it have better backlinks. The backlinks are not spammy. The backlinks the backlinks also help in providing considerable amount of link juice. And in the second screenshot you can easily see that the link graph score is orange, which means that there is little bit of work that needs to be done. So it can be a possibility that the backlinks are not done from too much of the higher domain authority websites. There can be a bit of the spam percentage and so on. For now I don't have any poor score to show you, but the thing is that if you see any network graph as poor or marked as red, that means that you seriously need to disavow certain number of toxic backlinks from your campaign, and you need to start acting on your backlink profile right from this start. Thanks for watching.